Hi, my name is Lynne Ruby, and I want to talk to you a little bit about these flower remedies. Have you ever heard of anything like this before? I know I certainly didn't. I met Amy Cohen about, 6 to 9 months ago, and that's the first time I ever heard of such a thing as flower remedies. So anyway, I got to know Amy, and we corresponded via email, and she said, you need to try a remedy because I was dealing with some issues. So she mixed one up for me. Here it is. And I am really impressed. Who would have thought? What happened was Amy and I had a phone conversation about half an hour in length. She asked me a bunch of questions, not difficult questions, no right or wrong answers about how I was feeling, what I was dealing with, what issues I had, and she mixed up this remedy, sent it to me, and I've been taking it twice a day since then. It is almost tasteless, has no taste, kind of like water. And what I was dealing with was a lack of energy, a lack of an inability to focus, and I was just really overwhelmed by everything that I had to do because I have run my own business. And when you run your own business, you're going here and there and here and there, and when you get overwhelmed, you don't know what to do, you can't focus, and you just kind of veg out. That's my pattern anyway. So once I started taking this, it wasn't like all of a sudden, bam, there's a whole bunch of energy and focus that came on me. No, there was just this gradual, eventual feeling of, oh, I can do that. Oh, let's focus on this and get it done. Oh, that feels good. That's done. Let's move on to the next thing. So now I'm looking at this bottle and thinking, oh, I hope I don't run out of this very soon because I don't take it every day anymore. I now take it every once in a while when I feel like I need a booster shot, as it were, and it is great. It is great working with Amy, and this stuff has an effect. Give it a shot. Give Amy a call if you've got issues that are similar that you're dealing with. My name is Lynne Ruby. I'm at rubymarketingsystems.com. I highly recommend that you give Amy Cohen a shot. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.